And welcome. Today we'll be dealing with University of Abuja Physics Post UTME past question 24. A ball is projected from the ground at an angle of 30 degrees. Now the angle is called theta. 30 degrees with the horizontal at an initial speed of 40 meter per second square. This initial speed is called u, 40 meter per second. And we have that our theta, our angle, is 30 degrees. Now, ignoring air friction, calculate the time it will take the ball to strike the ground. And what it means is, let's say the ball was projected from this point. The time it will take the ball to go from this point and strike the ground on the same base is what you are asked to find. Now, that time, t, can be found from 2u sine theta divided by 30, divided by g, sorry. Now, we have that g is our acceleration due to gravity, and according to the question, our g is 10 meter per second squared. Now it means we have our u is 40 times 40 sine 30 divided by g, which is 10. Now if you solve further, you have that your t is what? 2 times 40 gives you 80 sine 30 over 10. Now 80 sine 30 is equal to 80 times sine 30, which is 0.5 divided by 10. 80 times 0.5 gives you 40 over 10. Now t becomes what? 4. 40 divided by 10 gives you 4 seconds. The unit of time is seconds. So your answer to this particular question is 4 seconds, and that is option C, 4 seconds. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.